Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. Today we'll be discussing another important topic. A higher order function is a function which takes one or more functions as argument and return a function as its result. The advantage of using higher order function is to achieve more with less effort. In Swift programming language, we have multiple higher order functions such as reduce, filter, map, etc. Map function performs an operation on all the elements of a collection and returns a new collection with the desired results. Let's take an example that we have an array of integer and we want to multiply each element of our array with 2. This is how we do it traditionally, but same result can be achieved by using map. And from map, all we need is let doubled array equals to numbers dot map, and inside this map and we'll implement $0 into 2, and that's it. As you can see from this code, by using map we can move faster with fewer lines of code. Map function can also be applied to dictionary and set. Let's take an example for applying map function to a dictionary. Let's say we have a employee dictionary employee, which has name, um, and let's say for this dictionary we want to make our keys as uppercase and our values as capitalized. So if we create another dictionary, we use our map function, and inside this function we just add $0 dot paste and $1 dot right, and let's quickly print this. And here you can see our keys are now are in uppercase and our values are capitalized. You can notice there is a difference in the result. Now it's no longer a dictionary, but it's an array of tuples. So whenever you apply map to a dictionary, you always get an array of tuples. If you want to change only the values of the dictionary, you can use another higher order function, map values, like let dated values equals to void dictionary dot 0 dot capitalize. From the output you can see the value of the dictionary is now capitalized, but the key remains as it is. Compact map is similar to map function, The only difference is the result array does not have any nil values. Let's take an example. In this number array, we have two nil values. So let's quickly apply compact map to this array. As you can see in the result, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9, and the nil value have been skipped. Flatness is used whenever you have a collection of collection and you need a single collection out of it. For example, let's say we have a numbers array, and this array has an array of array. Now, if you need a single array out of this collection, then you can have a single array equals to. As you can see from the output of this program, our numbers array has been transformed to a single dimension array. Filter function is one of the most important higher order functions in Swift. It filters the collection based on the condition. Let's again take our numbers array, and this time we want to create a new array which has all the integers which are more than 5. So if we do it in a traditional way, you need a for loop, then you will check for a condition, and then you will append it to this new array. We can get rid of all this code by a single line by doing this. Numbers dot filter, and inside this filter all we need is to do is to write $0 greater than 5, and let's print this. As you can see, the output of our implementation, we have a new array which has all the elements from the original array which are satisfying our condition. And if you notice that we no longer need our result array to be mutable, and this is really important because we don't want to accidentally change our filtered array while working on our application. The purpose of reduce function is to produce a single value from all the elements in a collection. Let's take an example where you have a number array and you need sum of all the elements of this array. And this is how you all usually do. You have a sum variable, you iterate to the number array and calculate the sum. By using reduce function, you can achieve this in a single line. Let sum equals to number dot reduce issue value and this. And that's it. Split functions are used on string values, and its purpose is to split string into pieces based on certain condition. It is similar to the component separated by a string method, but here we can provide maximum splits and many more parameters. Let's take an example, a string value hello world, and we want to split this string into two parts based on the space. So we need result equals to string dot split, and inside this we'll implement something like 0 of 0 equals to, and let's print the result. As you can see from the output of this program, we have splitted a string. Please note, the split function returns the string subsequence and not the string. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any specific topic in your mind which I should cover in my next video, please comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.